He was pretty skinny.
Hi,
So I don't
buddy.
know if something happened to him or not.
I only see one.
And I didn't see mom and dad around at all. So I don't know if, mom and dad might be gone, but those guys are probably a couple weeks. I mean, they're
Yeah, she's coming out your way. She's coming out. See her? She's on the other side of the third tire. Her face is right, so she's bucking on the leash.
yeah.
There's something worth saying about loosening up when the wind isn't billowing.
Corner them all. Yep. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there they are. They're both here. Hi, guys. Oh, here they come. Hi.
Hi, they're right over here. Hello. Hi guys, hello, come on. Hi. They're right here. He got him, he got him. Okay. Here. Wow. Good job. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Here. Do you want to pass them to me?
There's something to know.
Here, let me see the other one.
That one I got's big.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, he's twice the size. Hi, guys. Hi, buddy.
It's scary, but it'll be better. The eyes look just like the one I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.